How to use Sencor variable temperature electric kettle. So on the kettle you can see multiple options. So now it's turned on and it's showing my actual water degree inside the kettle. Here is the little preview of temperatures. For example, black tea fits for 100 degrees Celsius, and you can also see here the baby milk fits for 40 degrees Celsius, and also instant coffee, white tea and green tea. So you don't have to heat water every time to 100 degrees Celsius. So how you can use it? All you need to do is to just turn it on and keep clicking plus and minus to choose actual degrees you want. So for example, I want 70 degrees. Keep 70 degrees and press start, and it will heat up the water up to 70 degrees. The minimum is 40 and the maximum is obviously 100 degrees. If you want, for example, 50 degrees and you want to keep 50 degrees in the kettle, you need to press this option on the right down corner area. So it will heat to 50 degrees and it will keep 50 degrees all the time the kettle is turned on. The kettle is safe, it has dual walls, so if it has 100 degrees, you can touch it and you will not get hurt. And that's basically all you need to do. If you put it to your hand, it will disconnect numbers. If you put it back, you will see here the actual numbers and you can use it. The kettle is in power on if this dot is turned on, and if it's turned off, it's not heating up. That's all you need to know. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.